English language is the America's native language and considered as the universal language. Wherever we go, English will always be there with us. We should realize that English is very important. In order for us to learn English, we should have foreign friends just like here in CIA. We all know that studying English is a very tough and hard thing to do, especially for those students from other countries who were not able to study English abroad. This would be our biggest trial and the greatest experience for us to explore on how we can study English. The question is, how does it differ to study English in our country than to study abroad? What do you think would be the answer? What? Anyone? There is really a difference between foreign and in our own country. First, in other country, when they were still children, their parents already taught them how to speak. For example, mother. So children also follow them. But in my country, we are also taught the word mother. But in Korean word, 엄마, you know? So children adapt a certain language that their mother taught them. Second, when we reach 14 years old, that's the only time our teachers teach us about English. But in Korea, we only focus to study English grammar and reading. Oh my God! However, in other countries, they started to learn English when they were still in kindergarten. Third, in Korea, they teach us English, but we still speak in Korean. They just translate the English word to Korean word, but know how to use it. But in other countries, they teach students to learn English and they continue to speak English and keep on using it. Therefore, studying abroad differs a lot because in my country, Korea, when we were still young, we studied English language such as grammar, writing, and reading, but no speaking and listening. So that's why I came here in the Philippines to use the English language and communicate with other people because it's more